Hi, it's Beverley from your Shape Smith and Well Pilates class from the other day. This is just a quick thank you for coming along, taking the plunge and having a go at Pilates. People come to Pilates for lots of different reasons. Sometimes it's about dealing with an injury, sometimes it's to get fit, sometimes it's just because they're curious. Whatever your reason, do bear in mind that Pilates is a practice. It's a great dialogue between your mind and your body. The more you do it, the more you get out of it, the better that dialogue becomes between the mind and body. You will feel your strength improving, your endurance improving, and also, yes, you will feel that your enjoyment of Pilates improves the more you come along. So if it's possible, try and get into a class at least once a week. I look forward to seeing you at your next class, and until then, be well, be fit, and be happy.